Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to get unbanned from your Tinder account. Now you can't exactly get unbanned from your Tinder account, but either you can create a new profile again by logging out. Let me show you how. Go to your profile and log out from this and create a new Gmail address, and after making a new Gmail account, create your Tinder account, and in that Tinder account use different phone number and different photos which can't be similar to your original ones. Then you have a new Tinder account. So that's how you make a new Tinder account, but we can't unban from Tinder. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.